Shane E is up next. Let's hear about his musical journey and what he's bringing to the table musically.
Up next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Leafy chopper, circle the bends, everybody flatter. Mad 90 bus, full him up a copper. Boy brain fly like a buckle scupper. And all him attacking. Theophilus Edwards, born Cornwall Regional Hospital, grew up in a community called Mount CLM. Migrate to Rose Heights, now reside in Flanker. Born with it, a natural talent. And like something we add up, something we is a gift what we birth with. You see it running in our bloodline from core marital. So you know we follow up. Talent in our family. So what I say she born with talent. First song I recorded was a song called Clap It Up. Producer never really take music serious, so I want to be a producer. As a friend, same way, but was recorded by Real Wealth Records. I'm calling himself as it. But the most popular single was 100 Duppy, which was produced by Temple Swing Records. Team and Leafy chopper, circle the bends, everybody flatter. Mad 90 bus, full him up a copper. Boy brain fly like a buckle scupper. And all him at man of the time, you know. So me look for life, you know. And I just more be a time now. Eastern, been a get for them chance. I Western time now. So I Western the people them a give years. So you know the dragons go. I just saw things set. I just our time now. If you know say Shane just emerged 2015 and whole Jamaica worldwide, other countries that gravitate to my music. It's a pleasure. We not talk if we not do it. How when we go street, 50 caliber they travel with the shark teeth. One press and them go sleep. 5 piece in a head stop them heart.
Up next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Now let's see which music video made it on the block in our music video premiere segment.
With a million thoughts, a million ways to escape, but a million ways to get caught. No, a million words with a million thoughts, a million ways to escape, but a million ways to get caught. Yes, I'm from way down in the dungeon, where the youth them no afraid fi bust the gun them. I them no care if a night or if a sun then. I when them bust it all over man a run then. I them ya youth and no afraid fi pop it up. I ya tell you your life them like it have. And if you disrespect and give them tough talk, them killer in a rose down can back up and instead. A million words with a million thoughts. A million ways to escape, but a million ways to get caught. No, a million words with a million thoughts. A million ways to escape, but a million ways to get caught. I remember me first one pop. Have it strap and have it brace Bangkok. And I say me I go run in pan a shop. Me hear a voice shout out, no do that now. Time tough but me nah make it bad me. Nah worry about till it good salary. This is the most designed to keep the poor.
Highlights from Bacchanal Juve and gospel artist Christopher Gale, all when we return.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take
charge.
Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum Tonic Wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Chicago
Chicago, get ready for the annual Chicago Jerk Festival on Sunday, June 23rd at Washington Park, featuring live performances by Idonia, Destra,
Everybody take a drop,
Mad Cobra, Stoneboy, and so many more. Backed by Rough Cut Band and hosted by Pretty Boy Floyd and Field Marshall. Jerk food, seafood, arts and craft, live music and kids zone. Gates open at 11 a.m. and you can purchase early bird $25 tickets online at ChicagoJerkFest.eventbrite.com. For more details, call 312-479-3693. There will also be a bun and patty eating contest. It's the annual Chicago Jerk Festival, Sunday, June 23rd. And it's all taking place at Washington Park, 5533 Russell Drive. Brought to you by Jabari CG Productions in association with African International House. Sponsored by Red Stripe, Western Union, True Juice, Big Up, Boom, and The Release.